here are the six common scenarios that can cause a tier one business to be classified as tier four. And generally, these are just small mistakes, inconsistencies, and errors. Okay. So here's the first scenario: address mismatch across all your documents. Auto denial. Um, this is actually a tier one, right? But it gets classified as tier four because again the addresses don't match. It's sloppy. It's deemed as some banks view it as fraud, right? So solution: update all business docs to reflect the correct and current address. The second one is you're using a virtual address or a PO box, right? So the solution: change to a home or physical address. By the way, this is just kind of like examples, like you've been operating business for 4 years, like just example scenarios. Okay, I'm not saying like you have to hit these things to be tier one. I'm just saying like let's just say for example you've been operating for 5 years, you have your docs, you have strong banking history, but you're using a virtual denial, right? Again, these are just general scenarios. Um, Anyways, EIN name doesn't match across the articles of organization. Um, so what I mean by that is like in your EIN, the business name isn't the same as the LLC docs. You're gonna want to update that, right? You want everything to match and be congruent. Um, and again, I show you how to fix that in the other one. Typos, right? Some people make little typos. Business reports, no revenue for over 12 months, right? Start making deposits into your checking account again. Even small monthly deposits keeps the business account active. So, right, DMB profile has the wrong business name or NICS code. You want to update that to the correct business name and your NICS code. If you're able to, again, I'm not saying lie, but I'm just saying like if you're able to change investment services to like something like consulting, right? Consider doing that. Don't ever actually lie. That's fraud. I'm just saying there's little things you can do, right? And that's not a bad thing. But if you're directly lying, then you're gonna have issues. Anyways, scenario six. You don't have a business account, right? You're doing everything under the personal. So of course you're gonna want to get the business checking account open, right? And start running transactions through there. So again, these are like the six common mistakes. Um, there might be more, but again, I'm trying to cast a wide net as far as I can with this guide. I'm gonna miss some things, right? But generally, these are the main things that causes auto denials. Really, it's this one: mismatch addresses, and then the virtual addresses. Okay, or the EIN doesn't match the articles. So, yep.